So let's go for a problem which was I have given you in a homework, है ना? So what was that problem? That is psi x is equal to a e to the power minus alpha mod x. Now this is my guess wave function for potential Vx is equal to minus lambda delta x. So this is my guess wave function. So obviously we have to calculate we have to calculate energy with respect to with method of variational principle. Okay. So obviously what is value of A? We have already calculated this particular value. So value of A is nothing but what? Root alpha. Remember this all thing we have done during the our Schrodinger wave solution. So if you are not able to remember this thing, then you have to calculate. So value of A will be root alpha. Obviously, x is between minus infinity to plus infinity. And we have to calculate the kinetic energy. So what is kinetic energy? The kinetic energy will be minus infinity to plus infinity psi star, and you can go for del square psi upon del x square dx, but this will give you I think negative energy, है ना? याद है ये आपको negative energy दे, and you have also this particular term minus h cut square 2m. So what you have to do, you have to just go for this definition, that is h cut square upon 2m, and you should go for d psi upon dx mod square dx, and you can go for minus infinity to plus infinity. So you can reduce this form, reduce this equation into this form. So it can be reducible. So whenever you have kinetic energy 0 or negative, then you can go for this particular formula. And now if you will calculate this thing, what will be value? हम लोगों ने कर रखा है इसे. That will what? H cut square alpha square upon 2m. Isn't it? Am I correct? So this value is h cut square alpha square upon 2m. Now what we have to do? We have to just go for calculation of potential energy. So let's go for, obviously we have to calculate the average value of potential energy. So we have to go for minus infinity to plus infinity psi star Vx psi x dx. And when you are going to calculate this particular thing, then you have basically this value will be alpha, isn't it? Alpha is here, and inside you have minus lambda, and you have delta x, and you have e to the power minus 2 alpha mod x dx, and this will be from minus infinity to plus infinity. So what is this value? ये value क्या होगा? 1. So this is very simple, and you can write this value is approximately equal to minus lambda alpha, not approximately, exactly equal to. Now we have to write the total energy. What is my total energy? My total energy E is equal to h cut square alpha square upon 2m minus lambda alpha. Now next step, what we have to do? We have to just differentiate this particular value. So first task is that we have to write expectation value of energy as a function of parameter alpha, which is used in a wave function. So this is most important thing. The first step, this one is the first step. Then you have to do some maxima and minima type calculation, and you have to just go for dE upon d alpha, है ना? So here alpha is my variable actually. So we have d expectation value of E upon d alpha, and that value is equal to what? 0. Then what we have? We will get h cut square alpha upon m minus lambda must be equal to 0. And what is value of alpha here? So alpha is equal to m lambda upon h cut square. Yes. And here you can easily put this value also. Alpha है ना, इस वैल्यू को हम easily put कर सकते हैं. Or if you want, you can write kinetic energy in term of potential energy also. So how you can write kinetic energy in term of potential energy? It is so simple. So you can easily use this thing. So I can put value of alpha directly here, or I can write kinetic energy as a function of potential energy. So let's try to write this thing. So this value is h cut square alpha upon m is equal to lambda. We have to multiply with alpha. We have to multiply with alpha by 2 by 2. So what is this value? This value is equivalent to alpha lambda alpha by 2 minus lambda alpha. And that value is equal to what? Minus lambda alpha by 2. Now we can easily put the value of lambda. And we will get exactly same value, na? That is minus m lambda alpha upon 2h cut square. So this is the exact value of Dirac delta potential. Are you people comfortable? Clear है यहाँ तक?
Yes.
है ना? Any doubt? कोई doubt है तो पूछिए. Okay, let's go for this. Let's go for next problem. This time I am taking a wave function as, let's say my wave function is psi x, and this value is basically, let's say I am taking normalized value, and this value is 15 upon 16, and that value is a to the power 5, and we have a square minus x square, and this is between 0 to a, isn't it? This is between 0 to a and 0 otherwise. What we have to do? We have to calculate the energy for harmonic oscillator. Let's say energy for harmonic oscillator, half m omega square x square. This is my potential energy. We have to calculate energy for harmonic oscillator with this particular wave function. है ना? So this is between, I think this is between minus a to plus a. This is between x is between minus a to plus a. Then it will be worked. Isn't it? Because this is a plus x into a minus x. ऐसा ही होगा ना? Look at this function. This is a plus x into a minus x. Then x is equal to minus a, it will be 0. X is equal to plus a, it will be 0. So x will be minus a to plus a. So we are just taking this as our wave function. Okay. So we have to just calculate what will be the energy of ground state from this particular wave function. Okay. So we know what will be my kinetic energy part. What is parameter here? By the way, what is parameter here?
A.
A is your parameter. So you have to always keep in mind. Okay. And I have to give the answer in term of omega, m or h cut, nothing else. Are you getting this thing? Because we have to give the answer as a parameter used in potential. We have to nothing to do with the parameter used in wave function. I have to optimize this parameter actually. This A, for what value of A, I have to get the minimum value of energy. So what I have to do? I have to just go for a kinetic energy of this particular wave function. So what will be kinetic energy? याद है कुछ? लिखवाया था? That is what?
5 h cut square by
5 by
4
4 h cut square upon ma square, 4ma square, है ना? This is your kinetic energy. You can easily calculate it also because this is a very simple. Because if you will differentiate twice, this all thing will be gone. Only this particular value will be survive there. So you can do this exercise with yourself. Okay, but I will suggest you try to practice at home, but remember this thing because it will save your time. Okay, now we have to go for basically expectation value of potential energy. So we have to go for expectation value of potential energy. So when we are going for the expectation value of potential energy, we have to go for obviously minus infinity to plus infinity, psi star Vx psi dx. Now, when we are going to calculate this thing, basically we have to calculate this integration. I can write it directly 15 upon 16 a5, and we have to go for integration that is minus infinity to plus infinity, sorry, minus a to plus a, minus a to plus a, because otherwise this wave function is 0. So this is minus a to plus a. This term will be x square is here, so half m omega square will be outside, and this term will be square part. Okay, so we can go for a square minus x square whole square dx. So this is a nice integration, isn't it? So let's try to go for this integration. ये integration क्या होगा, इसे हम करने की कोशिश करते हैं. So this value is 15 m omega square upon 32 a to the power 5. So is that this function is even function? This whole function is even function या odd function है, या फिर neither even neither odd? This function is even function, isn't it? If I will put x2 minus x, I will get same function, isn't it? Just respond, होगा या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, this function is even one. So what I have to do? I have to just go for 2 times 0 to a x square and a square minus x square whole square dx. Now, just it's a very simple algebraic equation, so, but we have to keep patience. Right? So that will be 30 m omega square upon 32 a5. Okay, let's try to go for this integration. So we have first integration is x square a square 0 to a dx. Second integration is x to the power 4 into x square. So we have 0 to a x to the power 6 dx, and cross term is also there. So that value is minus 2a square and sorry, this will be a4. This will be a4. 2a square into x square 0 to a dx. Clear है ना? देख लो. Everybody comfortable? चलिए. So this is
Sir,
a
x to the power 4 होगा ना? 2a
कहाँ
square
पे?
x to the power 4.
कौन सा?
Last
Last term is
Last.
yes x to the power 4. हाँ 6 का power आना चाहिए exactly x to the power 4. A square into a का power जो है वो 6 का होना चाहिए. That is very important thing. Yes, a to the x to the power 4. चलो करते हैं. देखना कहीं गलत नहीं कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने पहले करके नहीं रखा हुआ. I am just taking it extempore. So this is something like examination condition for me. Okay. So this value is what? This value is a to the power 7 by 3. Yes. ठीक है, आप लोग साथ साथ करते रहो. Plus a to the power 7 by 7, and here minus 2a to the power 7 by 5. सही किया हूं? Just check it. Just check it. Do it with yourself. Just check it.
Yes, sir.
है ना? Okay, good. I am just doing is this calculation extempore. So what will happen? I can take a to the power 7 common, and what will be your denominator part? So we can have 30 m omega square upon 32 a to the power 5, and we have a to the power 7. This is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7 minus 2 upon 5. What is this number? ये number कितना आ रहा है? So what will be this number? जरा calculate करो. So this is dimensionally correct. Why? M omega square x square. A square is the dimension of length. So this is dimension of energy. So theoretically I am correct. I need to just calculate this number. What will be this number? ये क्या होगा?
8 by 105.
कितना आ रहा है? Just I am taking your number. So this will be 35 into 3. That is what? 105.
5.
Okay.
8
And this
divided by
value
1.
is what? 7 into 5. 35 plus 15 minus 42. Isn't it?
8 times.
सही कर रहा हूं? So that value is what? 8 upon? Okay. So this is 30 m omega square a square upon 32 into, I think this value is 8 upon 105. Correct? कुछ कुछ कैंसिल हो रहा है. Number looks nice. This is 4 and ये भी कैंसिल होगा ना? So this will be
Yes.
6 and this will be what? 5 से अगर करेंगे तो
21.
21 और भी कैंसिल होगा 2 and 7. गुड. एग्जाम में आया हुआ शायद क्वेश्चन है ये. आई थिंक मुझे कैलकुलेशन करते हुए याद आ रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा. यहां तक क्लियर है? जस्ट यू कैन रिवाइज योर नंबर विथ योर सेल्फ, डोंट वरी. सो आई थिंक आई एम करेक्ट बिकॉज dimension is absolutely correct, है ना? Number may be different, so it may be, there may be chance of error, but if I assume that this calculation is correct, then this value is average value of potential is nothing but this value is 1 upon 2. Yes, 1 upon 2, that is 14. 1 upon 14 m omega square a square. Are you people comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
है ना? Good. It's a nice number. Okay. So assume this calculation is correct. You can just verify this calculation with yourself. Okay. And this can be 1 by 14 m omega square a square. Now we have to go for total energy. So total energy E is equal to, we can go for 5 by 4. What is this value? M, क्या था value ये? 5 by 4.
H cut square by M
Very
square.
good. 5 by 4 h cut square by m a square plus 1 upon 14. Sorry, 1 upon 14 m omega square a square. Oh my God. Now we have to start this problem. So why I am doing this problem, you can see every step we know, every calculation we know, but it will take time. It will take time. So you have to be very much efficient into calculation. Okay, when you are doing integration, when we are doing this sort of algebraic or arithmetic calculation, you have to be very much conscious. Now the actual thing will be come after here. Now, so this is a square. So what we have to do? We have to differentiate dE upon With what? With respect to what? A. With respect to A. And this value is minus 2 5 by 4 h cut square upon ma cube. And this value is plus 2 upon 14 m omega square A. So this value is basically, you can write this value as, so I can get value of A from here. है ना? So I can get easily what is value of A. So this value is basically minus 10 upon 4 h cut square upon ma cube must be equal to minus 2 upon 14 m omega square A. So I can get the value of A to the power 4. My goodness. A to the power 4 is, so what is this value? क्या हो जाएगा ये? So 2 and 5, and here is 2 and 7. So A to the power 4, this minus is cancel. We have 35 h cut square upon 2 m square into omega square, isn't it? Are you getting this value?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? So this is 35 by 2 h cut square by m square omega square. So this is value of A. Now we have to give the final result. So either you will put the value of A square here and A square. So what I should get? I should get the value of A square, isn't it? Are you people comfortable? Because you can see in the potential energy, this is written in term of A square. So I can write my kinetic energy as a function of A square. Yes? So let's do little bit more exercise, how to write kinetic energy as a function of potential energy. So I can use this formula again. So what will be this thing? So this will be 2 5 upon 4, and this value is h cut square upon ma cube is equal to 2 upon 14 m omega square A. So what I have to do? This 2 will be cancel. I have to multiply with what? A here. And I have to multiply with what? A here. So this will be a square. So this value is 5 h cut square upon 4 ma square is my kinetic energy. And that value is equal to what? M omega square A square by 14. It's a very nice. Yes, look at here. I can put this value there. So my average value is, we have m omega square A square by 7. And now what I have to do? I have to put only value of A square here. So I can put value of A square here. So what will be this value? This value is equal to, so we have m omega square and by 7 is there. If I am going to put value of A square here, then that will be 35 by 7 and h cut upon m omega. Look at the dimension is absolutely correct, isn't it? Look at this thing. So what will be your value? Your value is root under 35 by 49 h cut omega. This is your expectation value of energy. Yes. And this value is absolutely more than h cut omega by 2, isn't it? Just check the number. Is that value is more than h cut omega by 2 or less than h cut omega by 2?
सर वो a raised to power 4 में 35/2 है ना, तो अंडर रूट में 35/2 आएगा ना,
ओह, तो मैंने क्या कर दिया?
35/7।
एक मिनट, जस्ट अ मिनट, कहाँ गड़बड़ किया मैंने? यहाँ है ना, ओह सॉरी, 35/2, सॉरी, दैट इज 35/2। ओके, सो रूट अंडर 35/7
रूट अंडर आ जाएगा।
√2 है ना, दैट इज 7 √2। ठीक है, you can just calculate it, you can just calculate this number. Maybe this number can be given in a fraction also. So now you can see how we are using all this calculation, and this is one of the best question ever asked in your exam. आप एग्जाम में देखोगे सेम प्रॉब्लम आया हुआ है, you can just calculate this thing and match the number. But look at two and more important thing, how we are using the dimension. We know that my energy must be written in term of h cut omega. So this is most important thing. And why I am saying that I am correct, because you can see the average value of potential energy and the average value of kinetic energy is same. हो रहा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Average value of potential energy and average value of kinetic energy is same, and this is property of harmonic oscillator. आप पहले पढ़ चुके हो गए, एक्स स्क्वायर के एक्सपेक्टेशन वैल्यू और पी स्क्वायर के एक्सपेक्टेशन वैल्यू में अगर आप सपोज वी हैव काइनेटिक एनर्जी, सॉरी, योर काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज ऑल अबाउट पी स्क्वायर अपॉन 2m and potential energy is all about half m omega square x square. And if you have calculated earlier, you can find that kinetic energy is exactly equal to potential energy in case of harmonic oscillator. And what I am getting also here, आपने यहाँ किया होगा पहले, remember in the harmonic oscillator for the actual wave function.
Yes sir.
है ना? So just you can go and revise this thing, है ना? And yes, you can say this potential, sorry, this wave function is also symmetric wave function. So if this is symmetric wave function, this will follow all the rules, it will follow all the concept which will given by the Gaussian, but number will be going to change. And here the number is, yes, absolutely going to change, है ना? And this is your, according to this wave function, this should be your minimum total energy of a harmonic oscillator. So yes, you can do this type of problem again and again. I have given a lot of problem like this into your assignments. Okay, let's go for one more problem. एक पर और जाए,
Yes.
sir.
है ना? बोलो, is that any doubt? एक बार आप चेक कर लेना, नंबर चेक कर लेना, but I think I am correct. ठीक है, because lot of thing support my answer. There is not any dimensional error. There is also supporting the, my calculation is also supporting the calculation part of, sorry, conceptual part of harmonic oscillator. That means the kinetic energy and potential energy will have same average value if we have symmetric potential for the ground state. Okay, this is very simple. Just give me answer. Same wave function, and that value is 15/16 a5 a square minus x square, where x is between -a to +a, and that value is 0 otherwise. And we have to calculate the ground state of energy Vx, which will given between -a to +a and 0 otherwise. What will we answer? Just a very tricky question. This is very tricky one. What will we answer? फटाफट आंसर, 1 मार्क्स का है.
Sir, pi square h cut square divided by 2m square.
No, why?
Sir, Vx is 0.
Okay,
So
if
that
Vx is 0, that means your potential energy is 0. Okay,
sir.
and what is your kinetic energy?
pi by 4 h cut
Exactly,
square
5 by 4 h cut square upon ma square.
ma.
And here the thing is that you are using the same parameter which is given in potential energy. Yes, and here this energy is constant actually. So there is not any chance to get the maxima and minima. This is only value you will get. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
If we will get dE upon dA is equal to 0, we will not get any value of A, because we have the same parameter which is used in a wave function as well as in a potential energy. So if we are using the same parameter here, then obviously I have to give the answer in term of A. And so in this problem, there is not any need to calculate this thing. This value is constant, because whatever be the energy, that energy is only kinetic energy in a particle in box. There is not any role of potential energy. Are you people comfortable?
Yes, sir.
If there is
Yes,
not
sir.
any role of potential energy, then this is your answer. That's it. And obviously you can check, this will be more than actual value of a ground state energy of this potential. What will be actual value of ground state energy of this potential? Pi square h cut square upon 2m into 2a square, because length is 2a. Yes, so you can easily see that this will be more than this one. And here is not any option. We have this particular energy E versus A is just and you, this A is constant actually. This A is constant. So there is not any need to plot E versus A. And you cannot get any particular value of A where you will get the maxima or minima value of energy. So obviously this is the only value of the answer. So sometime this type of problem can be come into your exam जहां आपको कुछ करना नहीं है and you have to just give the answer.
सर
हाँ,
सर यहाँ पे तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी पैरामीटर के साथ वेरी नहीं कर रहा, तो
नहीं कर रहा है
approximation
इसलिए तो
का-
कांस्टेंट वैल्यू आ गई ना.
नहीं तो जो एक्चुअल वैल्यू है उसको क्यों नहीं कंसीडर कर रहे, अप्रोक्सीमेटेड वैल्यू को क्यों
Because
ले रहे?
I am taking this one as my wave function. If this is my trial wave function, then what will be an energy? This is question na.
ओके सर, ओके सर, ओके सर.
Okay, if you will take this as a wave function, psi x is equal to root 2 upon 2a, and that value is cos pi x upon 2a, then you will get the actual energy, isn't it?
यस सर.
है ना? But if I am taking this value, then obviously this is the only possible thing I have to get. Now, एक question और मैं आपसे पूछता हूं. Now, this is very tricky. In general, I don't expect that this question will come into your exam. But yes, let us try to discuss it and just give me answer. Okay. My question is that I just want to calculate the first excited state of harmonic oscillator, not for the ground state. I just want to go for first excited state of harmonic oscillator. And the guess wave function, now look at this, this is very critical. Now the guess wave function is given by a e to the power minus alpha x square. Then how you will proceed? This guess wave function is given for the ground state. For the ground state. So if this is your guess wave function for the ground state, what will be energy for the first excited state for this potential? Now question is very tricky. Maybe this type of question can come into in a good examination. even in a net, if some intelligent people will give the set the question, because here you have to also guess the first excited state accordingly. Are you getting my point? Because this wave function is guess wave function for what? Ground state, and I have to calculate expectation value of energy for first excited state. How you will proceed? How you will proceed? How you will proceed?
सर गिवन वेव फंक्शन के लिए फर्स्ट एक्साइटेड स्टेट का साइन निकलेंगे.
Exactly. Very good. So what you will do, hence it is your guess wave function. You have to you have to guess your first excited state wave function according to this wave function. Are you getting my point? According to this wave function. So what should be the guess of first excited state? What should be guess of first excited state? What should be properties? What should be relationship between ground state and first excited state? We have all information. We have all intuition of solving the Schrodinger wave equation. So from there, you can guess what will be your first excited state wave function.
Sir, x e की power minus
Flourishing.
x cube type
Exactly. What should be there? You should check your first excited state and ground state must be orthogonal. This is your first condition, isn't it? So which wave
Yes.
function will be orthogonal to this wave function? And we have intuition that yes, if I will take this wave function, psi x is equal to, let's say, sum a x e to the power minus alpha x square, because we have intuition that this should be a odd function. If this is even, this should be odd function. If ground state is even, then first excited state must be odd. And you know that this wave function and this wave function is what? Orthogonal to each other, isn't it?
Yes.
You
sir.
can easily
Yes.
check, or you can easily predict that these two can be orthogonal to this one. So what is the best suited thing? So here you are compelled to take this as your wave function. Are you getting my point? यहां पर आप अपने से कुछ और नहीं ले सकते हो. Hence you have chosen this as your ground state wave function. This must be your first excited state wave function. So this will be ax e to the power minus alpha x square, and then you have to get the kinetic energy, and then you have to get the potential energy, and you can get the answer. Yes, are you people comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
अब
sir.
सपोज करो कि इसी के लिए गेस दे दे ग्राउंड स्टेट का a cos pi x upon a, x is between minus a by 2 to plus a by 2. What will be guess wave function for the first excited state?
So sine
Sine
two
two
pi.
by
Sine 2 pi. Very good. That will be a sine 2 pi x upon a, isn't it? And that should be between minus a by 2 to plus a by 2. So you can see how your concept of solving Schrodinger wave equation will help you to guess the suitable wave function. You know how you can, your wave function can be orthogonal, which type of property should be, wave function should obey, and you are just applying this particular thing here. Are you getting my point clearly?
Yes, sir.
So just try to be prepared for this type of problem, और इसको भी आप चाहो तो एग्जाम में कर सकते हो, है ना, अगर पूछता है तो. बट अभी तक तो किसी ने हिम्मत नहीं की है पूछने की. बट यस, दिस इज नॉट सो टफ. सो मैं आपसे एक और रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं, जस्ट ट्राई टू गो एंड कैलकुलेट ईच एंड एवरीथिंग फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर वेव फंक्शन. ठीक है, इसके लिए जरा एक बार काइनेटिक एनर्जी निकालो. At least find the kinetic energy for this wave function. This is maybe this can be your guess wave function into next examination. ठीक है? By the way, इसके लिए क्या बेस्ट वेव फंक्शन होगा? This is infinity and this is your, let's say, kx. क्या होगा बेस्ट गेस वेव फंक्शन? क्या हो सकता है?
गॉसियन हो सकता है।
गॉसियन होगा। This is infinity and this is kx. What should be your guessed wave function?
सेमी इनफाइनाइट पोटेंशियल वाला।
Yes.
डिराक डेल्टा।
क्या क्या ले सकते हो? डिराक डेल्टा। हाँ, यू कैन टेक, यहां पर वेव फंक्शन को क्या होना चाहिए? जीरो होना चाहिए ना? If your
जी,
potential is infinity, then your wave function must be zero. Yes. So what should be your guess wave function? एक दो guess करो, क्या क्या हो सकता है? Your first guess wave function is, let's say, a sin pi x by a. नहीं हो सकता है ये? Because it is zero at x is equal to zero, so this can be something like this. किसी a पर जाके के बाद जीरो हो जाएगा and zero otherwise. Don't worry. Second guess wave function is what? A x e to the power minus alpha x when x is greater than zero and zero otherwise. है ना? Because
Yes, sir.
x at x is equal to zero, your wave function must be zero, and this can be there. What will be your third wave function? और क्या हो सकता है guess wave function? A x e to the power minus alpha x square. This can be also your guess wave function, because every wave function is zero at x is equal to zero, and you have basically zero at the infinity. All three can be best guess wave function. So आप चाहो तो निकाल सकते हो इसमें से किसी का भी। हम लोग इसके थ्रू ट्राई करें? हाँ, let's try it with this particular wave function. Okay. So my potential is, all these questions are in your assignment, है ना? So उसका एक एक पार्ट में कर दे रहा हूं आपको. Is infinity when x is less than 0, and let's say this is kx when x is greater than 0. What is your wave function? The guess wave function is a sine pi x upon a, where x is between 0 to a and 0 otherwise. Okay, चलो. What will be your psi x? Normalized psi x क्या हो जाएगा? √2 by a sine pi x upon a. What will be your expectation value of kinetic energy? निकालना पड़ेगा क्या? What will be this value? h cat square pi square upon 2m square. This is your kinetic energy. Now we have to calculate the potential energy. So let's go for potential energy. So my potential energy Vx, can we go to minus infinity to plus infinity psi star Vx psi x dx. Don't worry. So we can take this thing as, so k will be outside. You have root, so you can have 2 upon a 0 to a x sine square pi x upon a dx. What is your guess wave function? What is this integration? Anyone? What is this integration? अरे बोलो, कहां सो रहे हो? What will be this integration? कर चुके हैं, कहां गायब हो गए? हाँ,
A by 2.
A by 2. This is nothing but the expectation value of x in a particle in box. Look at this integration. In a quantum mechanics, when you are doing integration, try to see what is the physical meaning of this integration. Have you done earlier this type of integration or not? So what is this value?
Yes.
Huh? A
A
by
by
2. So this value is Ka by 2. Now let's go for your total energy, expectation value of total energy. Now, so when we are going for expectation value of total energy, so total energy E is equal to h cut square pi square upon 2ma square and plus Ka by 2. Now, what is parameter here? A is parameter. So del E, so dE upon dA must be equal to 0. Again, you have minus 2 h cut square pi square upon m2m a cube plus k by 2 is equal to 0. Okay. Am I correct? ठीक है ना? So here you can easily calculate the value of A. What is value of A? So this 2 will cancel out. So A is equal to 2 h cut square pi square upon mk to the power 1 by 3. This is value of A. Now you can again write the kinetic energy in term of potential energy from here. कैसे लिखोगे जरा बताओ? You can, okay, so you have h cut square pi square upon m a cube is equal to k by 2. A से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, A से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया, 2 से डिवाइड कर दिया. So this is your kinetic energy, isn't it? So this value is what? Ka by 4. So I have my total energy E is equal to Ka by 4 plus Ka by 2. What is this value? 3 by 4, isn't it? 3 Ka
Yes,
by 4
sir.
and I can put the value of A from here. Yes. So आप यहाँ पर वैल्यू पुट करो और फिर आंसर आपका आ सकता है. So 3k by 4 into this particular thing 2h cut square pi square mk to the power 1 by 3. So now look at this type of calculation you have to do. Isn't it very nice calculation we have to do? है ना?
Yes, sir.
है ना? चलो एक मैं आपको होमवर्क देता हूं, ठीक है? उसे आप जरा करो, फिर मैं कल की क्लास में उसे डिस्कस करूंगा. एंड टुमारो वी विल आल्सो स्टार्ट WKV अप्रोक्सीमेशन. इतना प्रैक्टिस ठीक है ना? एंड नाउ यू कैन डू विथ योर असाइनमेंट. असाइनमेंट एक बार ट्राई करो करने का, बहुत मजा आएगा आपको करने में. बिकॉज कहीं भी इतने क्वेश्चंस नहीं दिए हुए हैं. आई हैव मेक क्वेश्चन एंड आई हैव डू असाइनमेंट एंड वी हैव रीचेक्ड अगेन एंड अगेन विद डिफरेंट पीपल, देन दिस असाइनमेंट हैव बीन कंप्लीटेड. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि बुक से उठाया हुआ असाइनमेंट है. मेरे दिमाग में जो वेव फंक्शन है उसको ले करके मैंने कैलकुलेट किया है. ओके, सो आप एक बार प्लीज इसे ट्राई करो और आपकी कैलकुलेशन इस असाइनमेंट को करने के बाद 4 टाइम स्पीड बढ़ जाएगी आपकी. अब जरा दिस इज योर होमवर्क. ओके, 2 question I will give you as a homework. So first question is, what is hydrogen atom का potential क्या होता है? Let's say minus k by r. Okay, and r is greater than 0. What will be your site trial? The site trial is a e to the power minus alpha r square, where r is greater than 0. And 0 otherwise. Okay, this cannot be 0. So this is my trial wave function. So if it is my trial wave function, find the energy. By the way, what is value of A? What is value of A? बिना कैलकुलेट किए हुए
√3/4 pi, sir.
What is value of A without calculate किए हुए?
2 alpha by pi to the power 1/4.
Sir, 2 by a naught की power 3/2.
A नॉट कहां से आ गया? What is value of A? पहले तो ये बताओ, बात कर चुके हैं हम. What is value of A?
So 2 alpha upon pi to the power 1/4.
No, no. Anyone? जस्ट ये सारा कैलकुलेट करोगे, क्या आएगा? द वैल्यू ऑफ A इज इक्वल टू 2 अल्फा अपॉन पाई टू द पावर 3/4, 3 डायमेंशनल हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर.
Yes, sir.
Can you write
Yes,
this
yes.
thing as A e to the power minus alpha x square, e to the power minus alpha y square, e to the power minus alpha z square? लिख सकते हो इसे?
Yes.
यहां से भी कैलकुलेट कर लो dx dy dz से, या तो फिर आप कैलकुलेट करोगे mod a square mod psi सॉरी mod a square r square e to the power minus 2 alpha r square dr sin theta d theta d phi. यहां से कैलकुलेट करोगे, दोनों से आपका वैल्यू ये आएगा. ठीक है. नाउ जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट शुड बी योर काइनेटिक एनर्जी. क्या होना चाहिए? बिना कैलकुलेट किए गेस करने की कोशिश करो. जस्ट ट्राई टू गेस व्हाट शुड बी योर काइनेटिक एनर्जी. एनीवन?
थ्री एच कट स्क्वायर अल्फा अपॉन 2m.
वेरी गुड. 3h कट स्क्वायर अल्फा अपॉन 2m. बिकॉज वन डायमेंशन के लिए पता है आपको h कट स्क्वायर अल्फा बाई 2m, h कट स्क्वायर अल्फा बाई 2m प्लस h कट स्क्वायर अल्फा बाई 2m. इधर आप इसे काइनेटिक, इधर आप इसे कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट में भी निकाल सकते हो, और यू कैन यूज द spherical polar coordinate. So what will be your kinetic energy operator here? ये जरा बताओ, तो अभी मैं चॉकलेट खिलाऊंगा. Anyone? What should be kinetic energy for? So what should be kinetic energy operator for this wave function? अगर मैं spherical polar coordinate में करना चाह रहा हूं, what should be my kinetic energy?
Minus h cot square upon 2m grad square.
तुम प्रोफेसर बन जाओ, स्टूडेंट मत बनो. ठीक है.
Yes.
है ना? What should be kinetic energy operator here? Anyone? Anyone? तो यहां पर कितने तरह के काइनेटिक एनर्जी आएंगे? ट्रांसलेशन काइनेटिक एनर्जी प्लस रोटेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी. रिमेंबर? बट हेंस इट इज ग्राउंड स्टेट, देन L इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 0. सो रोटेशनल काइनेटिक एनर्जी क्या हो जाएगा? दैट विल बी 0. यू रिमेंबर हाइड्रोजन एटम प्रॉब्लम और बाकी सारा जो पढ़े थे हम लोग इन रेडियल प्रोबेबिलिटी डेंसिटी, ये सारा पढ़ा था.
Yes, sir.
So you have two type kinetic energy, translation kinetic energy and rotational kinetic energy. So hence L is equal to 0 because we are talking about ground state. This value is equal to 0. So what will be your translation kinetic energy operator actually? बताओ, what is your translation kinetic energy operator? That value is minus h cut square upon 2m d square upon dr square 2 upon r d upon dr. किया था?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये करवाया था, कॉपी में जाकर देखो. When we have you discuss the radial wave function, I have given you this is your kinetic translation kinetic energy operator. अगर ये first excited state के लिए होता है या second के लिए, then you have to also take this value. Are you getting this thing? But fortunately, you are just talking about ground state, so this value is gone. Only you have to use this particular value. ठीक है? So my request is that you can take this wave function and find the all this term with your calculus. By the way, you know the result. What will be final result? The final result should be this one. आप इसे calculate करके देखना. You will get this final result. Okay? And what will be parameter here? So आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? 4 pi r squared dr के साथ इंटीग्रेट करना पड़ेगा, है ना? So you have to just go for psi star this translation kinetic energy operator psi 4 pi r square dr 0 to infinity. If you will calculate this thing, you will get this thing because I know the symmetry in a Cartesian coordinate. Yes? चलो आज थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया लग रहा है ना? Anyway, so just try to do this problem. ये आपके assignment में भी है. Just try to do this thing. It will take little bit time, but it will give you a lot of confidence. And just try to solve the assignments. Tomorrow we will go for semi-classical method. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Okay. कुछ डाउट है तो पूछ सकते हो.